Hello and welcome back. All right, our next pattern is going to be an outside underarm pass. Outside underarm pass. Now again, this can be done from a closed and open position. So we're going to give you different angles so you can go through for each one. Cool? And remember, this is a pass. It's not a spin, it's a pass. So you're kind of like moving underneath gradually. So
that's for us ladies.
Yes.
Ladies, it's a pass.
Yes, and guys, you got to pay attention to this because that means you got to move with her a little bit. Cool?
And of course, those private lesson style videos for us ladies as well. It's going to really help with differentiating between the pass and spin.
Exactly. All right. So closed position first, okay? So from this angle, ready, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Cool? Now remember, you're going to be in an upside down hand position, so that'll come out later. I'll show you what that means later on, okay? So let's do it.
You wanted to give it away, didn't you?
Yes, again, I want to get away, but I'm not. So here we go. We're going to try from this angle, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Cool. Because I know some of you guys are going, I'm upside down. Why is that? What do I do? Coming up.
Not in this video.
Not in this video, right. So here we go. Close position from this angle, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nicely done. All right, let's take it from one more time. This angle. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Excellent. Now, we've got a two-hand hold position. It's really similar to what we've just done here. It's just a different look, okay? So, from this angle, again, we're doing an outside underarm to the left of it. And triple, rock step, triple step, rock step. Again, upside down, right? Okay. Let's take it from this angle, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. You're always going to come right back to your partner, ladies. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nicely done. All right, one more time. So when you get the ladies, all right, here we go. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Excellent. All right. Now that you have that, you go practice it and come on back for the next pattern, okay? Remember, have fun.